Hello everyone. In this video I will be discussing about inventory control from administration and ward management. So, to know about inventory control, first of all we need to know about material management, because inventory control, it is an important aspect of material management. The definition of material management you can see here. In healthcare system, material management is concerned with providing the drugs, supplies and equipments needed by health personnel to deliver health services. That means what? To deliver a proper healthcare service, the health personnel, they need different types of drugs, supplies and equipments. Drugs में अगर देखा जाए तो it will also include all kind of vaccines, anesthetic drugs and other all the medicines which are needed to treat or prevent diseases. In supplies, you can see different supplies starting from the cotton, gauze paste, bandage, cannula, needles, syringe, all will come under this supplies. And equipments, different equipments you will get in a hospital, such as sterilizer, X-ray machine, APG analyzers, etc. So, material management in healthcare system, it will concern about the providing of proper amount of drugs, supplies and equipment so that the healthcare service can be provided without any difficulty. So that is about material management. And inventory control, it is a part of material management. In this video, you will be learning about definition, objectives, techniques of inventory control and role of a nurse in inventory control. So, first of all, what is inventory control? It means stocking adequate number and kind of stores so that the materials are available whenever required and wherever required. That means inventory control ऐसा एक system है या फिर ऐसा एक process है जिसके through we need to maintain the optimum needed quantity of different drugs, supplies and equipments so that whenever or wherever it is required by the healthcare professionals, we can deliver the right drug or right supplies or right equipment in a right time, in a right quantities, in a right place. One more definition you can see here. Inventory control is a scientific system which indicates as to what to order, when to order and how much to order and how much to stock so that purchasing cost and storing cost are kept as low as possible. So, इन्वेंट्री कंट्रोल ऐसा एक साइंटिफिक सिस्टम है जो इंडिकेट करता है क्या ऑर्डर करना चाहिए, कब करना चाहिए, कितना अमाउंट में करना चाहिए और स्टॉक में कितना होना चाहिए. एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट नीड टू बी एंश्योर्ड दैट द परचेसिंग कॉस्ट एंड द स्टोरिंग कॉस्ट आर kept low as much as possible. So now I will be discussing about the objectives of inventory control. यहाँ में हम लोग देखेंगे what are the different objectives of inventory control. So सबसे पहले क्या है? First point is about to supply the materials in time. अगर properly inventory control होगा, that means what? The materials which is needed to deliver a proper healthcare service, that will be available in time whenever it is required by the healthcare professionals. The next point is to give maximum client service. इन्वेंट्री कंट्रोल अच्छा होने से we can give better service to maximum number of clients. The next point is about we can reduce or minimize the investment in inventories with proper inventory control. हम लोग investment यानी कि जो cost लगेंगे supplies को purchase करने में उसका amount जो है वो reduce कर सकते हैं with the help of inventory control. And it will also help to avoid shortage of stock, to minimize the losses and to meet unforeseen future demand. Unforeseen circumstances, that means something which we do not expect. Suppose in that time there is a disaster and because of that situation more patients are coming to hospital. Now the demand is more. To fulfill the demands, to satisfy the increasing demand, we need more supplies and more equipments. If we are maintaining inventory control, that means in that situation we can give service without any difficulty. There will be no shortage of stock and we can meet unforeseen future demand. And now I'll be discussing about the different techniques of inventory control. First of all, we will get ABC, that is always better control. So I'll be discussing about ABC in a very brief way. In ABC analysis, A items are very important for an organization and B items are important, but of course less important than A items and more important than C items. In that sense, you can say that A means highly important items, B means moderately important items, and C means least important items. Now, why A items are important? Because it is highly valued and less in quantity. And C items are least important because उसका वैल्यू भी कम है और क्वांटिटी भी ज़्यादा है. If you see A items, it typically accounts for a large proportion of overall value, and that is why it is less in number. For example, if you see the value 70% of total value कहाँ में होगा? A items में होगा, और B items जो कि moderately important है उसमें 20% of total value होगा, और C items यानी कि least important items में 10% of total value होगा. And if you see the quantity, then A items, it will be 10% of total quantity, and B items होगा 20% of total quantity, and C items होगा 70% of total quantity. So, in conclusion, we can say that ABC analysis, it suggests that inventories of an organization are not of equal value and quantity. Now, I'll be discussing about VED, techniques of inventory control. V means vital. Vital items are essential items without which treatment comes to standstill. And non-availability for shortage cannot be tolerated for vital items. For example, defibrillator, ventilator, oxygen regulators. So these are the vital items. Next is essential items, means the items whose non-availability or shortage can be tolerated for 2 to 3 days because similar or alternative items are available. For example, X-ray machine, electric cautery, patient trolley. So unavailability of these essential items can be tolerated for 2 to 3 days because we have alternative options for this. The last is desirable items. Desirable items whose non-availability can be tolerated for a longer period. For example, electronic BP machine. On an average, in any hospital, vital items are 10%, essential items are 40%, and desirable items make 50% of total items available. The next technique is high, medium, low techniques of inventory control. This technique is similar to ABC analysis, and as the name, materials are classified based on their unit value or price as high, medium, and low. The next technique of inventory control is FSN. The items are classified as fast moving, slow moving, and non-moving based on their consumption pattern. The next technique is SDA. Here, scarce means insufficient for demand, or you can say scant. SDA classification is a system where materials are sorted out as scarce to obtain, difficult to obtain, and easy to obtain. One more technique you will get in inventory control. It depends on the source of procurement. Procurement का मतलब क्या है? The process of obtaining something. So based on the sources, the items, it can be classified as government, ordinary, local, and foreign materials. Now we will see the nurse's role in inventory. Inventory control में nurses का role क्या क्या होंगे? The first point is keeping an adequate amount of equipment and supplies in the ward. That means the items need to view regularly, and we have to make sure that all items are available in adequate amount so that whenever there is a need of those items, we can deliver it in time. Also, as a nurse, we need to make sure that all the items and supplies are in good condition and in well-functioning state so that without any hiccups, healthcare service can be provided. The next point is put in a requisition for necessary equipment for repair and maintenance when needed. That means if you get any materials which are not in functioning state and there is requirement of maintenance or repair, in that time we need to go for requisition of those necessary equipments. Then coming to the last point, it is about make sure that equipments and supplies are conveniently located. That means all the equipments and supplies it need to be arranged properly in a manner that it can be easily availed. So, in this video, you have learned about definition, objectives, techniques of inventory control, and role of a nurse in inventory control. Hope you have gained some knowledge from this video. Thank you.